11 psychology facts about quiet people. I love them by the last one. Number 1. They only have 2 to 3 friends. Number 2. Once they are comfortable with you, they will talk a lot. Number 3. They have too much anger. Don't get them pissed off. Number 4. There's a lot of narrative in their head, which could also be a reason why they're quiet. They're just thinking a lot. Number 5. They keep their feelings and pain inside. They think no one will care about it. Number 6. They got the cutest smile and weirdest laughter. Number 7. They are shy. They can't maintain eye contact. Number 8. Once they get comfortable with you, they get wild and crazy fun. Number 9. They are the most observant in most situations. Number 10. These are the people that are the last to ask anyone for help. Number 11. They are really loyal in most relationships.